Morning. Yes, please.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 25 of today's list.
Item
Number 25, Lordship. Lordship, here I'm seeking a short accommodation because Lordship, we need to seek some instructions from the client, Lordship.
All right. Have you informed the other side?
Lordship, I have informed the government, Lordship.
No, you are for the petitioner?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. As prayed for by Mr. H. Halia, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 19 of daily list, Your Lordship.
19?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, what do you want?
Maybe list after vacation, Your Lordship.
As prayed for by you are Mr.
Yes, petitioner A. Hussain. Your
So and so Learned Counsel for the petitioner, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes.
Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 6, Lordship. Lordship, I'm seeking for an adjournment in the upper, Lordship, on behalf of Mr. Dean, Lordship.
6 is that
Parkhead matter, Lordship.
leave encashment.
Lordship, but we were supposed to file an additional affidavit to bring on record certain documents.
You are for the
Lordship, APGCL, Lordship.
have you informed the other side?
Lordship, I am for the petitioner.
Any objection?
No, Lordship.
Mr. H.K. Das, H.R. Das, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent APGC, seeks a short accommodation to file the additional affidavit as directed earlier by this court. Ms. M.S.
D. Devi.
D. Devi, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, does not oppose to the said prayer. When?
After the vacation.
What date did you relist on such and such date for further hearing?
Problem.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 32, my lord.
Yes.
Matter may become infectious, my lord.
32.
Yes, my lord.
It's a contempt matter.
Yes, my lord.
It's complied.
Yes, my lord.
Who is appearing for the other side? Okay. Heard Mr.
A. Hussain.
Sorry?
A. Hussain.
A. Hussain, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. None appears for the respondent stroke contemners on call. Don't say that. In item 32, Rupak, the respondent I had that could give a name to the D. Gogoi, sir, and Barthakur. He's present, right? That is why I said. Then show Mr. Barthakur, I. Barthakur. Also heard Mr. I. Barthakur, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent stroke contender number 2. Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that during the pendency of the instant contempt petition, the judgment against which non-compliance has been alleged in the instant contempt proceedings have been duly complied with. In view of the aforesaid endorsement, nothing survives for adjudication in the instant contempt petition. Accordingly, the contempt petition stands closed and disposed of.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item 30, Lordship.
Yes.
This matter has become infectious, Lordship.
Your name?
M.K. Hussain, Lordship.
As prayed for, no, Mr. M.K. Hussain, Learned, and who's appearing for the government? Mr. G. Bokulia, government advocate. Mr. So-and-so submits that the writ petition has become infractious in the meantime, during the pendency, infractious, disposed of as being dismissed on being infractious. Yes.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, Lordship.
Yes.
In this matter, Lordship, we have received the affidavit in opposition from the
Last time also you had sought time for filing rejoinder. Anyway, how much more time?
Lordship, after vacation.
Your Mr.
M.M. Zaman, Lordship.
As prayed for by Mr. M.M. Jaman, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the respondent file rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of the state respondents. Yes.
Interim order is there, Lordship.
Interim, if any, shall continue till the next date of listing. Yes, please call the list.
For motion, the number 1.
Which order non-compliance has been alleged?
Lordship, page number is starts from page number 16, Lordship. Relevant portion is in page number 18, Lordship.
18.
Yes, Lordship. Last paragraph, Lordship.
No, the competent authority was directed to make the reference. That has not been done.
Submit a representation on 11/4/25, Lordship, page number 19.
Not they will approach the competent for making a reference.
Yes, Lordship.
That was done.
No, we were asked to submit representation.
Huh, did you submit?
Yes, Lordship.
But they have not done anything.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Notice. For your name,
NZ Chaudhary.
your name to query, huh? Issue notice, returnable 2 weeks, registered post AD within a period of 3 days from today. 3 weeks query, relist after returnable date.
Obligation.
Two.
Yes, contempt.
My lord,
Which order?
at page 9, my lord. And operative at page 11, from top 9 client, my lord. Page 11, my lord.
Yes, has not been received. His code is of the view that so and so to consider the prayer made by the so and so. So this is not done.
No, my lord.
Consideration not done.
No.
There's no order passed.
No.
Mr. Deka, na PK
Yes.
Deka. And how many condemners?
One. my lord.
Issue notice, returnable 3 weeks, register post AD within 3 days. Huh?
Yes, my lord. Obliged.
Three.
Interest and penalty.
Yes, ma'am. Lordship, the order is at summary, the order under section 73 is, that's page 85.
Just one sec. Who is there for the other side?
B. Gogoi. Lord.
Where are they? You can have it after some time. Is it for note? Are you seeking any stay?
Similar petitions has been disposed of.
Then you have his presence.
I'll pass on the order. to you.
Yes. But no, you keep it with you, but you get hold of the other side and give him a copy as well.
Yes.
So if he is agreeable, we shall pass it.
Item four.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship, I am from the petition side, Dr. MP Singh.
Hmm.
Lordship, the last order has passed the state commissions without all considering all the facts. And I have them include in the citations in the jurisdictions to the of the High Court. And Lordship, without considering all the facts in the
Respondent is who?
respondent is this is the fresh case, your my lord.
Respondent is,
Biswajit Chaudhary, your lordship.
this is a writ petition.
Yes, sir.
Writ petition
Yes, sir.
against a private party.
Yes, sir.
How?
Private party, not a private party, lordship.
Where is the respondent? Biswajit Chaudhary.
Mr. Chaudhary, lordship.
Biswajit Chaudhary is not private party.
No, not.
He is a state entity.
No state unity.
Then-
See, the only one the respondent is the state commission's lordship.
You are?
I am the petitioner.
No, you are challenging what?
I am challenging the order, your lordship, the last state commission passed 12/8/2025.
The proceedings.
Yes, sir, lordship.
This is a 227. We have approached the tertiary jurisdiction.
Yes.
Yes, what happened by this?
Lordship, the state commission is the past in the last in 12.
Assam State Consumer Disputes.
Yes, sir, lordship. In the past in the 12/8/2025.
Where is that order?
Page number.
Is it the order dated?
Lordship, the
Well-
order is at page 20.
Page?
Number 20.
Page
And
number
it's the
20.
A.
Annexure.
This order is under challenge.
Yes, sir, lordship.
This order along with the writ of execution issued by the Assam State Consumer Commission. Writ of execution was issued on 12/8/2025.
Why don't you come this side?
Of course.
Lordship, this writ has been filed under the Article 227 of the Constitution of India
Yes.
for or a writ of execution issued by the Assam State Consumer
So
Commission.
you are aggrieved by that.
I am aggrieved by that.
And that is, which page do we find that? That execution order is at which
So
page?
execution order is at page number 22.
Page number 22.
Annexure B.
you are seeking for a stay of that
Stay of
execution.
that execution.
And the main order arises from the first appeal.
First appeal,
That is that,
first appeal.
That is the order at page 20.
Page 20.
Yes. Let us see the operating part of page 20. So it's a compromise petition.
Also compromise, but the compromise was not signed by the aggrieved petitioner with the respondent. It was mainly signed by the advocate of the parties. And the advocate did not intimate the matter to the petitioner, which was to be signed by a sworn in affidavit.
Correct. So then that has not, and you are now, you are actually for one of that part, one of the party who didn't sign.
No, Lordship, the party was only Sahara India Commercial Corporation.
See, I am not followed anything. So just give me, what was the dispute?
Lordship, dispute was that Biswajit Chaudhary, he was the nominee. He was the nominee of his mother.
Counsel, sit. Yes.
So Biswajit Chaudhary was the nominee of his mother, who had purchased 10 bonds from Sahara India Commercial Corporation back in the year 1999. 10 bonds they had purchased. The bond was to be matured in the year 2009. And the condition was that if the bond purchasee, if she dies within the period of 16 to 60 years between, then then the Sahara India Commercial would give them a claim of 10,000 rupees.
All
for
right.
120 months.
So now, who preferred this first appeal?
First appeal was preferred by Sahara India Commercial.
Sahara India.
Sahara India.
So that is one party.
Right.
Now you are representing whom?
Lordship, we are representing Sahara India Commercial Corporation.
You are representing the Sahara India Commercial. So I'll issue notice today. Nothing more. So anyway, compromise decree. We'll see. We'll keep the interim prayer for consideration after the reopening. All right. Heard, Mr.
D. Saikya.
D.
D. Saikya.
D.
Deepak Saikya.
D. Saikya, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. By way of this petition under Article 227 of the Constitution of India, the execution notice dated 12/8/2025 in EA number 1/2020 issued by the Assam State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission has been challenged. Issue notice, returnable 3 weeks, steps by registered post AD within a period of 3 days from today. Interim sought shall be considered after service of notice, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registrar.
Hello.
Yes. Mr. Ahmed?
I am the owner of land.
Yes.
That has been acquired. And I also agreed. And they given me alternative land, equivalent quantity in another place, where the dump place, my lord. Now, they are required to pay compensation for the demolition of houses and zirat. The petitioner came to learn that, loss of condition paragraph 40.
Yes.
The district commissioner, he was issued some notices to some other party holders, asking them to appear on 21/7/25 to take the compensation. And I came to learn that no such notice has been issued to me, but I came to learn that an amount of rupees
5,62,000
awarded only for damages of the houses.
This is not given to you.
Not given. Notice also not given. Moreover, my lord, only for damages of house, other part, zirat.
Anyway, we'll issue notice. Heard
Maybe
Mr. J. Ahmed, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking determination of compensation award against houses, buildings, and award compensation against damages of valuable trees, plantation, crops, etc., standing on the land in question as per law.
One submission, my lord. If it is related to enhancement or of the Jirat amount, my lord, Jirat includes house as well as trees, my lord, minus the land. So in my submission, my lord, probably it is section 64. 64 or something.
I may file appeal.
That is the alternative remedy because award has already been passed, my lord. So
But I am not get the notice.
probably it
I-
cannot
I'm
be
not getting-
enhanced, my lord.
Not
So
enhanced.
show me that act.
Otherwise.
Yes,
it
my lord,
will go
that's-
to the
that's
file
64.
report.
So you mean to say, Ms. Burman, there is an alternative
Alternative
efficacious
remedy.
remedy available?
Make it for reference, my lord, instead of coming to 226, my lord.
Section?
64.
She has mentioned the award, my lord.
But I come to learn, my lord, not confirm.
That's all right.
And notice not issued to me, my lord, to take complaint.
Maybe in a phase-wise manner, my lord.
Page, sorry, section
64.
64.
64.
তেখেতে কৈছে award এটা গৈছে বুলি। Lordship may issue notice, but in the meantime, maintainability may be kept at hand.
No, Ms. Burman, because see, his only grievance projected here is that an award perhaps has been given and his
He has mentioned the award. my
correct. He has mentioned in just now, which paragraph, Mr. Ahmed, you
14.
made me read? Para 14, correct. So why can we not quote this para 14 and
Lordship,
dispose
the-
it off
Lordship-
by saying that if the award is, since you have this, you approach under.
No, my lord, no,
Huh?
not only that, my lord. Well, but because they award.
All right. We also heard MS M. Burman, learned government advocate for the state respondent, and MS, you're there, and Borderler, learned standing council revenue. Stop. MS Burman by Mr. J. Ahmed by drawing the attention of this court to paragraph 14
14 and 15, my lord.
and 15 submits that though he has come to know that an award,
Yes.
then an award has been made whereby and compensation of rupees 5,62,482 has been fixed for compensation for the damage of the houses. However,
Which
Paragraph
is
15,
according
paragraph
to him
15,
is
my
too
lord.
low.
it is what?
Paragraph 15, my lord.
According to him, it's low, too low.
However, the
That
same
why-
is too low and the assessment has not been done in accordance with section 26, 28 and 29 of the Act 2013 Act.
And moreover,
Stop.
that is.
It's all right. MSM Burman, learned so and so, submits that submits that if an award has already been made, then the instant writ petition is not maintainable in view of section 64 of the 2013 Act, which provides for a reference to the authority. Stop. Be that as it may, let notice be issued. Yes, who is accepting for whom?
3, 5, 6, 8.
MS Burman, 3,
3, 5, 6 and 8.
6 and 8. Yes, Ms. Bordeler? Only one. And yes? Pathak for? 4. Mr. Nayak for? 2 and 7. Yes, still I think 3 is left or what?
Principal Secretary of the power.
3 I am appearing.
Okay, so all done.
3, 5,
Upor to
6.
Telugu number Didiba. Mr. Nayak is standing counsel. Oh, sorry. And Mr. Pathak, you are also standing counsel. Except notice, extra copies 3 days. The issue of maintainability is kept open to be decided after the returns are filed. list after so and so on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Hello.
This is for 4 weeks.
All right, make it 4 weeks.
It may be early, my lord. I am
All right,
already
next,
received the land.
the puja holidays are there, 2 weeks will be consumed.
And after.
What is the use of making it 3 weeks?
Yes.
You won the,
After vacation.
huh?
After vacation.
Miss Burman, Mr. Pathak, Miss Bordeloy, to, huh?
In the
Not to
meantime,
enjoy the puja day?
in the meantime,
Yes, next, nothing, Mr. Ahmed. Next.
Have been item number 3.
I know the petition.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary, is it a covered case?
Lordship, here they have assailed the order on the basis of 2 sections. And in the covered case, Lordship, it's related to non-giving of any opportunity before that.
No, have you gone through it?
Yes, Lordship. If they are wanting an opportunity, I have got no objection, Lordship.
That is the thing, Lordship, summary show cause notice is because of no opportunity. That is the main ground of the petition, Lordship. They issue a summary show cause notice, which Lordship will find at page 78, annexure 4, Lordship.
Page
74, 78.
78.
8,
Eight.
annexure 4, Lordship. Lordship may come to the, this is relating to period 17-18, when GST had just started.
Just 1 second, 70? I don't think it's 70 is
78, Lordship.
78 is part of this.
Annexure 4.
Oh, it's in this format.
Yeah. Annexure 4.
Yes.
78, Lordship. It is related to tax period July 17, March 2018, 17-18.
Yes.
GST had just started.
Yes.
Lordship may kindly come to the second page of the notice, Lordship.
Yes.
There, Lordship, find description is given. Date by which reply has to be submitted, that is given. But
Yes.
date of personal hearing is not applicable. Time of personal hearing not applicable. Venue when personal hearing.
Yes.
Not applicable. So no opportunity of personal hearing when a show cause, and this is a summary show cause, which
So
is
your main grievance is that personal hearing is not given to you.
yes, and
Opportunity.
then the order was passed. Summary order is at page 85, annexure 6.
Page
85, annexure 6.
page 85. Why is this like this, Miss Kofe?
This is the other.
Huh?
Yeah.
What is this? Why is this? Why? I don't know. Since last few weeks, I'm finding the filing section is very casual now in passing all these records. How has this been? Huh? All these are like this.
And the order has been passed imposing tax, interest and penalty, Lordship. So I am aggrieved by.
1 second, Miss Gopal, let me
Yes, yes.
make an effort to
sorry.
read that page. Huh?
I'm sorry.
Yes.
Order under section 73, Lordship.
What did you filing on? Yes.
It says a show cause show cause notice statement referred to above as issued to you under section 73 of the Act for reasons stated herein. Since no payment has been made within 30 days of the issue of the notice by you, therefore on the basis of documents available with the department and information furnished by you, if any, demand is created for the reasons and other details attached in the annexure, Lordship. So I am aggrieved by this summary order, Lordship, which they have passed. Lordship will find the amounts in the next page.
Yes.
That is tax, interest and penalty.
The total is this
84.
84.
Yes.
So now this has been directed to be paid
Yes.
provisionally.
Yes.
This is provisional.
It is not provisional. It is the
Final
final order.
This is what you are challenging.
I am challenging this as well as after this I went to the appellate authority also.
What did the appellate authority
The
do?
appellate authority has also rejected my prayer. It is at page 101, Lordship, the order.
Page 101.
1.
Yes.
The appellant is registered under GST he had been issued demand order so and so under section 73 of the Act by the learned.
Where are you reading from?
Lordship, the.
Yes, yes, I
the
got
order
it.
starts.
Yes, yes, I got it. Yes.
The appellant is registered under GST. He has been issued demand order so and so under section 73 of the Act by the learned adjudicating officer levying.
It says the principles of national justice was followed
Yes.
by way of affording opportunity to the appellant to present the case to appear before so and so for our personal hearing. But there was no date of personal hearing.
There was no personal date of
The
hearing.
appellant was given notice to appear, but
He failed
failed to
comply.
produce any document.
Lordship, about the documents, Lordship, I may make one submission, Lordship.
Anyway, I am not taking it up for final hearing now. Mr. Chaudhary, prima facie looks like a the
Lordship,
where is that?
I have attached an order also, Lordship, of this court. Lordship will file.
Lordship, in
Lordship.
comparison to the so cause,
Mhm.
it does appear.
It does appear. So on that basis, I shall stay this till the next date. Yes. Heard MSL, na? ML Kope. A learned counsel appearing for the petitioner also heard Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned. You're appearing as
Standing counsel, finance and taxation.
standing counsel, financial and
All the respondents.
taxation department, finance and taxation. Within bracket, respondents
1 to 5.
1 to 5. We take note. By way of this writ petition under Article 2 to 6 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is challenging the
Order in original dated 31/12/23.
the order dated 31/12/2023.
And order in April.
1 second. Passed merely on the basis summary to show cause notice issued by the respondent number 3 for the financial year 2017-18, demanding reversal of input tax credit availed by the petitioner and demanding huge amount of tax, interest and penalty on the petitioner. Stop. MS Kope, learned counsel for the petitioner, by referring to the summary of show cause notice dated 29/9/2023 enclosed as Annexure 4 to the writ petition for the subject tax period, i.e. July 2017-March 2018. Demonstrates before this court that under the details of personal hearing and due date to file reply appended in the said notice, though the date by which reply was asked to be filed has been submitted as 29/10/2023. However, there was no date of personal hearing, time of personal hearing, and venue where personal hearing will be held stipulated therein. She accordingly submits that the final order dated 31/12/2023 passed under section 73 of what?
Assam AGST Act.
Assam
AGST Act. Assam AGST Act.
AGST Act
2017.
It to me page 101 at reference to Pajama of the Assam Goods and Services Tax Act 2017 for the financial year 2017-18 is illegal. She further submits that though an appeal has been filed against the said final order, however, the same was also rejected by order dated 19/3/2025 by the appellate authority. Issue notice, returnable 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Mr. So-and-so accepts notice on behalf of the all the respondents, extra copies within the course of the day, within 3 days from today. considering having heard the parties in the interim, it is directed that the operation of the impugned order in original dated 31/12/2023 passed by the respondent number 3 shall remain suspended until further orders. That is all right, because that is the genus. Appeal order is consequential.
Much of.
List after surrender.
For admission,
এই-
item number,
এইটো আহিলে এটা বেলেগকে থৈ দিয়ে, এইটো উলিয়াই থৈ দিয়া এই পেজখন।
item number 7.
Yes. Again, there is no appearance. Last time also there was no appearance. None appears for the petitioner on call. It appears, sorry, Mr. R.R. Gogoi for
PHL office, standing counsel.
Standing Counsel PHE. Huh? It appeared that on the last occasion, IE 59/2025 as well, there was no representation on behalf of the petitioner on call. In view of the consecutive non-appearance of the learned counsel appearing for the petitioners, despite the names being reflected in the cause list, the writ petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Obligatory.
Item 9.
This case may be taken after some time.
Yes.
Item 10.
So the garden of the petitioner is lying closed, my lord, since 2017. Garden is lying closed, my lord.
Garden is like
Garden.
closed.
Entire
Yes.
garden was 2017 due to some hooligan laborers, my lord.
Hmm.
Once, my lord, this also directed the Suganda police, my lord, to give assistance, my lord. But till now, nothing has been done, my lord. My lion friend wanted to take it.
Instructions.
Yes.
Yes, Manoj. We have written letter, my lord. We have yet to receive instruction, my lord.
By when? Reopening, immediate.
We have, my lord.
No far, because this garden has been closed for a long time.
Yes.
Yes,
For
my lord.
8
Yeah.
years.
In that respect, my lord, issue has been referred to the labor court, my lord.
Whatever, you are supposed to just get the instruction.
Yes.
Why so much delayed? On 3rd September,
Yes.
this court had, I think by now you should have got the instructions. Anyway, heard Mr. G.N. Sahibala, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. M.S. K. Bhattacharya, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
M. Satya.
M. Chetya, Learned Government Counsel.
Yes.
Learned Government Counsel for the state respondent. Mr. So-and-so seeks further time to place the instruction as called earlier by this court. Relist, give a date on such and such date.
And the second.
Month.
On which date positive, the Learned Counsel for the Learned State Council shall positively place the instruction as called earlier from this court.
Item 11.
Pisat Matiba.
Item 12.
In this matter, my lord, I was supposed to brought instruction regarding shifting of these persons, my lord.
Just
Last-
1 second. That non-prosecution aji koribo nalage, hetu disposal dekhabo nalage. You say it is relist on Friday under the column for dismissal. Okay?
In
You
this,
just inform Mr. Gogoi, huh? Mr. Gogoi is here. Just Ms. Burman, just inform
I-
R.R. Gogoi, because I just suddenly realized, because today may not be a
standing order is.
yes, so there could be some difficulty for counsel to. I have not dismissed that case. Huh? I have kept it for Friday. If on Friday also there is no representation from the other side, then this court shall take a call. Yes.
Item
In this
12.
matter, I need 1 day accommodation, my lord. Let it
All
be
right.
on Wednesday.
Item 12.
12, my lord.
None appears for the petitioner on call. MS M. Burman seeks a short accommodation to place the instruction.
Instruction,
To
my
place the
lord.
instruction
Others,
as called earlier by this court. Relist after a week. because it's anyway, the holiday is
Because-
coming.
Lordship, on last occasion, it was about to close the matter.
All right.
Waiting for.
When do you
our
want
Friday.
it?
Wednesday or Friday, my.
Wednesday, released on Wednesday. Yes.
This way. This way.
Hmm.
Item 13.
Yes.
May please, your lordship, in this matter will file affidavit in reply.
All right. Your name?
As Saikia.
As prayed for by MS Cycle, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the petitioner file rejoinder to the affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of the state respondents,
All respondents.
on behalf of the respondents.
14.
Yes,
Last order dated, let's say,
8 rupees, sir. Yes.
3/9/2025. This honorable court has directed us to submit the document which has not been
Yes.
given. So as per my instruction, on 10th of September, we have furnished the copy to petitioner and with in the presence of the additional district magistrate of his Torah and petitioner has been he duly signed it. So the grievance of the petitioner is.
Mr. Goswami?
Malad, in fact, Malad, that is, all other documents are furnished, but regarding information number 6, page 22 of the petition,
That is still not there.
still not there because their reply is there.
Lordship may see the last order dated.
So then you put it by way of an affidavit, let Mr. Goswami file a response to that if he is not satisfied.
Ever been raised before. his
Mr. Mr.
Yes, Chetri, Lordship.
Mr. Chetri, you place it by way of an affidavit for this court to proceed further.
So-
Heard Mr. UK Goswami, Learned Counsel appearing for the
Okay.
petitioner. 1 second. Also heard Mr.
Yes, Chetri, Lordship.
A. Chetri, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent numbers 5 and 6. And yes, government, anyone? And Mr. Bokolia, na?
Yes.
S.
G. Bukul.
G. Bokolia for Learned State Council. It appears that pursuant to the order dated 3/9/2025, the documents as directed therein has been handed over to the petitioner no, ki bhi likho sa 8. Don't say it appears. Mr. Chetri will likho. Mr. So-and-so submits that in terms of your submission is that
Yes,
in
yes.
terms of this you have
Yes.
handed over, correct? Submit that in terms of the order dated 3/9/2025, the documents directed therein has been handed over to the petitioner when
On 10th of September, Lordship.
on 10
of Sep- of
10/9/2025. Stop. Mr. A copy of the said certificate of handing over and taking over as placed before this court by Mr. So-and-so, Learned so-and-so, is kept on record and placed and marked as X. You have received a copy?
No, not this.
I don't think an affidavit is required. You give him a copy.
Yes.
Let a copy of the same be given. No, however, Mr. UK Goswami, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that one of the document, which one?
That is information number there.
The
Copy of
informa-
This agreement has not.
The information pertaining to the
Information number 6.
information number 6. Where do you get that?
Malad, page 22. on-
Translated for
Page
Person, Malad, read petition.
However, the information pertaining to information number 6 of the application dated 9/8/2022, copy of lease agreement conducted for leasing out Assam type workshop shed on the eastern side of the SPO ICE office is still not handed over
Malad.
to the petitioner. Let a copy of the certificate of handing over and taking over as placed before the, be also furnished to Mr. So-and-so in view of the dispute in view of the aforesaid response of Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, let specific instruction in this regard be also placed before this court on the next date of listing. Parties are at liberty to file any additional affidavit if so advised. So whoever wants to file can file an affidavit and explain it. List on such and such date.
After 4.
On such and such. You clarify the stand, that is the stand. You see, the stand is better to be on oath.
Sir, because in our affidavit.
It's all right, Mr. Chetri.
A specific date may be given.
Yes.
High level.
Obliged.
এইবোৰ কাগজ কেনেকে পাছ কৰি আছে? Huh? If I only pick up register of as in name.
Me, please, my lord. My lord, I pray for an accommodation today. Can it be listed on the day after? There is a chance for disposal of the matter.
All right. Day after, as prayed for, relist on Wednesday.
Deeply obliged.
Item 16. Interim order may be continued.
Interim, if any, shall continue till the next date of listing. Yes.
My lord, we have already, as per the last order, we have already provided extra copies to all the respondents.
Yes.
Instruction is awaited, my lord.
All right. As prayed for by Mr. S. Bora, Leonard Standing Council. GMC, relist after 3 weeks to enable the respondent file return in the matter.
My lord, a date may be fixed, Lordship. My lord,
Yes, next.
my lord, a date may be fixed, my lord.
Next,
Because
next.
Item 17. Petition.
Yes.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, as per the earlier order, my lord, the petitioner was to file the rejoinder, my lord.
Yes.
I have filed today, my lord.
You have filed it?
Yes.
Have you received a copy, Mr. Das?
No, just
You are filing it, but how will you
I'm
file it without giving it to Mr. Das and the others?
I'm going to file.
So say you are going to file.
Yes, yes.
Filing and going to file is a, do you see, there's a lot of, makes a lot of difference. Heard, Mr.
Yes, Akant.
Huh?
Yes, Akant.
AS
Akant.
Akant.
Yes.
Learned counsel for the petitioner also heard Mr. S. Das.
For ASIDC, my lord.
Learned standing counsel.
Yes.
I need to submit.
ASI
ASIDC.
DC, and MS.
Swami, Lordship, I may submit.
1 second, G Swami for learned counsel appearing for respondent number 6 and
3-4 and thus state counsel.
and Das. Learned counsel appearing for respondent number 3-4. A Bhattacharya for respondent number 1 and 2. Yes, Miss Swami, what is that you want to submit?
Actually, they have not served us a copy. Lordship, as per
Miss Swami, just 1 second, huh? Mr.
Yes, sir.
So and so submits that and rejoinder shall be
No,
filed
not the
within not rejoinder.
not the
I'm
rejoinder, the
going-
petition.
Today I'm
copy.
going to file.
Huh?
Today I'm going to.
No, you are going to file what?
A counter affidavit.
Lordship, may I submit?
You are a respondent.
No.
Then,
Petitioner.
so you are filing a rejoinder against what? An affidavit opposition.
Yes, affidavit and.
Shall submit is going to file an affidavit in opposition during the course of the day. In view of the aforesaid relist, you want this matter to be listed on Wednesday or after a week?
After vacation.
In view of the aforesaid submission, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. In the meantime, the respondents are at liberty to file. No, I think rejoinder, and then you don't need anything.
We want to file.
Lordship, actually, I am appearing for the first time for.
So you would
respondent
like to
number
file
6.
your affidavit.
Yes, Lordship.
And
They
in
have
the-
not served us a copy till date.
That you get it. You see, you don't make these prayers before the court. You want a copy of the writ petition, you ask him, he will give it to you.
Yes.
These are not some,
Actually, notice has
this is
been
a
served upon-
constitutional court.
Yes.
Notice is issued.
Lordship notice is issued, but the office note dated 2/12/2024
All right,
reveals.
all right.
Let
Now
me-
you have entered appearance, so he'll give it to you. MS, respondent number 6. MS Swami enters appearance for R6. Let copies also be furnished to her. Will that add query and relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Applies.
Hello. Item 18. My lord, rejection of renewal application by the SIA authority, my lord. My lord, what happens in this case? I am going to file another additional affidavit to bring on record the renewal application.
All right. As prayed for by Mr. J. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, relist after 2 weeks.
After vacation.
After 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the respondent file additional affidavit in order to bring
By
The petitioner will file additional.
yes, petitioner only I've said additional affidavit to bring certain development on record.
Yes, yes.
Or
Obliged.
Obliged.
Item 20.
petitioner question to. Yes.
Telling the award passed with the labor code on ground that the reference is not answered in accordance with the issue framed with the competent authority.
Yes.
I'm appearing for the sole respondent.
Management.
Yeah, sorry,
You are appearing for the management.
management. I'm appearing for the first time, Lordship, we will be
All
filing.
right. All right. Heard Mr.
F.Z. Majumdar.
F.J. Majumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner. MS. I thus, learned counsel, enters appearance on behalf of respondent number 2. Yes, what do you want?
Lordship, we will be filing affidavit, Lordship, and there is only one
This is Mr. Counsel, you are challenging what in this writ petition?
I'm challenging the
The-
award.
Award, what objection to the award? These are records anyway. The relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. You do whatever you want to do by then. Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, I am led by one counsel from Delhi.
You want a fixed date?
Yes, Lordship.
That date. All right.
And besides the lordship, I am just on the low point, so affidavit will not pass.
That's why I didn't give them, but since they are appearing for the first time, so I'm giving them a fixed date.
Lordship,
I have not said affidavit.
lordship.
Yes, they'll do what they want to do.
29. Item 21.
Lordship, in this case, I have filed my affidavit in opposition, Lordship, raising some
Affidavit in opposition.
opposition.
You are
Lordship.
the
Sorry, affidavit.
rejoinder.
Rejoinder.
Rejoinder. Yes.
Lordship.
Huh.
Raising some point that forging some document and placed before this court.
Your rejoinder is not on record.
Lordship, the rejoinder filed on 3rd of September 2025, Lordship.
3rd September is one affidavit by R 9, 10, and 11. Who is respondent 9, 10, and 11? You have filed an affidavit. Yes, that is there. Your thing is not here. All right, I'll ask the registry to place it then. Yes, Mr. Sharma, their affidavit is not on record.
Yes, a copy has also not served to be.
You have got it.
Lordship,
Their affidavit.
yes.
Achha.
They are in the-
That is against which affidavit?
As by our affidavit in opposition, they have filed reply, Lordship.
And what is the date? How can it be on the same date?
I have filed on 3rd of September, Lordship.
Yes, 3rd September is the affidavit by 9, 10.
They have filed.
Oh,
Lordship. They have filed on 31st
and
of July.
that's all right. The office here by mistake have also said affidavit in opposition by respondent 9, 10, and 11. It should have been affidavit in reply by the petitioner. The date is 3/9/107. Yes, Mr.
107.
Sharma, you want to say something?
No, in fact, lordship, municipal board that part has already been completed. Issue is regarding removal of some materials over a plot on a road. We have already removed the entire materials. That has already been recorded in earlier orders. So the affidavit filed by the private respondent saying that this road belongs to them. And
Mr. Doctor,
Lordship.
They are saying it is there.
That issue.
Public road.
There is a dispute.
Public road.
Dispute.
Hmm?
It's a public road.
Public road,
They said that no, it is a road.
private road.
Private.
As per municipality, it is a public road.
But
So
that-
municipality is supporting you.
Lordship.
Yes.
And road is constructed.
No, the issue can be,
That lordship,
One second, Miss Counsel.
that
Yes.
issue can be resolved by in civil court. In the writ petition, the issue is whether the materials, removal of the materials.
That has been
That
removed.
has been removed.
Where do you get that?
That I have already last order and Lordship, this is the instruction I have received. That has been admitted by both the,
No.
Because the prayer is to remove the obstruction.
yes,
Yes.
that is the prayer.
And according to you, these obstructions have been removed.
Yes, yes, removed.
From where do you say that? Because your affidavit is not on record. Where are you saying that from, Mr. Sharma?
This is the instruction, Lordship.
Why don't you bring it on record?
Yes,
You bring it on record. Mr. H. PB Dattana, Learned Counsel Petitioner Koriba, Mr. H. Sharma, Respondent, HK Sharma,
Lordship.
Respondent
Respondent, I am appearing for the respondent number 3-4.
3 and 4, and MS
I'll go go next.
R. Gogoi, Respondent
9, 10 and 11. lordship.
9, 10, 11. What about 12? Kasim Ali?
Asim Ali lordship,
No, you're not appearing.
No.
Okay. And yes, Mr. Sharma, additional senior government council for 1, 1, 2, 5, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 or 8 or like 1 to 8. Okay, okay, except 3. 3 you're not appearing. Got it, got it. 3 and 4 to cut it. Mr. Sharma seeks, submits that he has received instructions to the effect that the obstructions as alleged to have been, the obstruction removal of which from the byline, bylane I Fancy Ali bylane opposite Lakshmi Narayan Mandir in ward number 3 is sought in the writ petition has already been removed.
Yes.
Let the aforesaid instructions be placed on record by way of an affidavit, released on such and such a date. Yes, when
Lordship, kindly post it after the 24th of October.
did you? Yes.
Lordship.
Date Nidima after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
A date may be fixed.
All right, all right, all right.
29th October.
All right, Mr. Datta.
Lordship.
Okay, next.
22.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Where the petitioner is seeking for a change of date of birth in the passport and he has filed an application in this regard. All limited period, this is let the representation be considered by the authority and let
No,
them.
but is there not some mechanism for correction and all?
Lordship, what has happened here is, on the basis of the information given by him, he has been issued a passport. Thereafter, it has been again given further effect. Now, he wants to change the date of birth. It's a gap of 10 years. Now, he brings in a birth certificate with recent birth certificate, which says that he was born in 1972. Now, question arises that if there is a delay in the registration of birth and deaths, that is under the Registration of Birth and Death Act, Section 13 specifically, there are certain procedures to be followed.
Have you filed your affidavit?
I have not filed because that was the issue before the Honorable Court on the previous occasions. And he was supposed to clarify by bringing in additional pleadings. He has not done that.
May it please.
Additional pleadings to what effect?
How he has
How he has?
like the documents that he has submitted before. The passport was issued.
No,
on
but
the-
Mr. Chaudhary,
Yes.
suppose in a given situation, if
Yes.
there is some, it can so happen that one may not have seen the date of birth. Later on, it may have come that the date of birth is wrongly recorded in the passport.
He has submitted his full certificates. Which has a different date of birth.
Oh, there are
Now he's coming up with
You
a,
file your affidavit.
he can file, but the court was first, he has to satisfy.
See, you file your affidavit. If he is not interested to further clarify, we will dispose of this case on the basis of the
I can,
affidavit and whatever submissions are made.
I can file it. I have.
You
the
file
instructions.
it.
I'll file it.
Because now no one is coming up with any affidavit.
Yes. I'll file it.
Yes.
Lordship, in this regard, just one thing I clarify.
I am not disposing it
Yes,
off
yes.
by saying consider representative. This
Okay,
is,
okay.
you don't need the writ courts as an executing to give directions for considerations of representations. Let us first see whether you have a case or not. As prayed for by Mr. R.K.D. Chaudhary, learned so-and-so relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the respondent file return in the matter.
Worship, I have respondent 1, 2, and 3.
120.
Subsequently, state has been implemented as respondent 4.
Who is appearing for state? State has anything to say? No, you also file it as prayed for so-and-so learned state council for filing respective returns in the matter.
Oblige, Lordship.
23.
Mr. You bring all these objections in your affidavit. They will have a chance to reply. If they wish, they can. Yes.
And 23. 23.
Yes, 23. Affidavit is filed or not filed?
My lord,
No file.
my senior is busy in another.
Your senior is busy, that's all right, but who is appearing for Agriculture Department? Yes, Mr. B. Chaudhary had appeared on the last occasion. Mr. Sharma, can you ask one of your junior to get hold of B. Chaudhary because affidavit was supposed to file, they have not filed. Yes. After some time. You see, our seniors' presence may not be required. We will pass the order by seeing how much time they want or whether they are not going to file, whatever happens. Yeah.
Please.
Item 24.
Yes.
In this case, my lord, petitioners are the 6 petitioners, my lord. Out of 10 petitioners, 6 were raising their hand and an election was held, my lord. Petitioner number 1 and 2 secured 6 votes, my lord. But
Who is appearing for the respondent?
Put the 9 and 10.
Yes. What about 11, 12? Nobody is appearing.
nobody-
You are filing affidavit or you're not filing? You will file.
for illegally holding the
Let the returns be complete, Mr. Counsel.
short date may be given, my lord.
For state, for respondent number 1, state. Who is appearing for state? Mr.
Yes.
You have no say? State respondent? Huh? Panchayat. PNRD. You are appearing, Miss. You are appearing for PNRD. You are not filing affidavits. And you are appearing for
9 and 10.
9 and 10. And what about the Baligaon, the secretary, respondent number 8, 7, all by PNRD? PNRD. Is it correct? Even 8? Please check.
Executive officer, yes, my lord. 7, 8.
All right. As prayed for by Mr. S. Islam, learned counsel appearing for respondent number 9 and 10, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the said respondent file return in the matter.
A date may be given.
Give your representations.
A date may be given, my lord.
Yes, next.
Item 11.
Oblige.
My please, my lord. My lord, the service of the respondents are complete, my lord. Though the respondent number 2 has entered appearance, my lord, the respondent number 1 has not entered appearance.
Respondent number?
1, my lord.
1.
Yes. The consumer grievance redressal form, my lord.
No, they may not.
Yes, my lord.
But who is appearing for the main respondent?
My lord, it's
Nobody has appeared.
well entered. They have filed Wakalnama also, my lord.
So today they are not there.
Not them. And affidavit is yet to be filed from their side also.
All right, heard, Mr.
B Das, my lord.
B
Das.
B Das, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. It item number kiman 11.
11.
Sir naam dekho aise respondent. Though the name of respondent IC Deca and MS M Buragohai is reflected in the cause list for respondent
2, my lord.
2, however, there is no representation on behalf of the respondents today on call. Relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Let registry intimate the next date of listing to Mr. So-and-so and Miss So-and-so, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 2 through WhatsApp message.
Deeply obliged.
Supplemented is item number 43.
Yes, Mr.
I pray,
Fukar?
my lord, I am be allowed to appear petitioner in person.
Yes.
It's a non-payment of legal fees at the Pollution Control Board. While
Your legal professional fees.
yes,
Yes.
last Friday, my lord, my friend in Pollution Control Board Standing Council.
Yes.
He took time since
Where is Pollution Control Board? Who's appearing? Mr. Barua.
Barua, Siddhartha Barua.
Where is he?
Last Friday, he took time since.
Can you get hold of him,
days
Mr. Fukar? After some time,
after
ask your junior to locate him. Whether he's come to court or not.
For orders, item 6.
Yes.
Lordship, on the earlier occasion, we had filed an IA which was not on record. I think it is now
Still not there.
Still not there.
Anyway, let me call for it then, Ralph. When do you want it?
After vacation.
Mr.
And Gogoi.
Mr. N. Gogoi, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner.
Petition.
Petitioner submits that though an interlocutory application has been filed, however, the same is not tagged along. Stop. It appears that on the last occasion, i.e. 22/1/2025, also the upon noticing that the interlocutory application stated to have been filed is not on record, the matter was directed to be listed after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry along with the said interlocutory application. However, today let registry verify as whether the interlocutory application has been filed or not. And you have received a copy?
No, I haven't received it.
Mr.
R. Goswami.
R. Goswami, learned counsel appearing for the
What is the number
respondent.
four?
Number 4 submits that a copy of that his office has also not been served with the copy of the so-called interlocutory application. Let registry verify as whether any such interlocutory application has been filed. If so, whether the same has been registered, and if the same has been registered, to list along with the instant writ petition on such and such date, that date after reopening, and along with a report thereof.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Item 27.
Need please, your lordship.
Yes.
On the person to the last order, my lord, I have submitted the amended cost title, my lord.
You have
They are on-
submitted?
They are on record, my lord.
Amended cost title newly implemented.
Newly implemented.
Any notice has been issued?
No, my notice has been issued, my lord. Substitution has been allowed, and thereafter we have filed the amended cost title, my lord.
Okay.
We are the petitioners, my lord, has been died, my lord. So we have implemented the.
Okay.
petitioners, my lord.
Petitioners. Yes. Yes, Ms. Sharma?
But my lord, if lordship desires, is the admitted positions, my lord, lordship can dispose also this case, my lord. Court issue is involved in this case, my lord. Affidavit has come.
What is the issue?
My lord, what has happened, my lord, due to the erections of the, my lord, Indo-Bangladesh border, my lord.
Huh?
Fencing, my lord, fencing, my lord. Some of the two villages, people of the two villages, my lord, they were, my lord, beyond, they have got beyond fencing, my lord. The government has taken, my lord, steps, my lord, to rehabilitate them, my lord. And accordingly, my lord, the certificate land has been allotted, my lord. But they could not give the, my lord, physical possession of the land because of some oppositions in the area, my lord. They have admitted, my lord. That was the issue of 2019, my lord. So thereafter, when we filed this court, my lord, these writ petitions, my lord, then, my lord, we sought for we prayed for we made a two prayer, my lord. One is, my lord, we should be allotted, my lord, and secondly, my lord, the land which is beyond fencing, that may be acquired, my lord. So state government, my lord, the DC has filed the reply, my lord, affidavit of oppositions. They say, my lord, that out of 174 families which the DC has decided to, my lord, resettle, my lord, out of that, my lord, only 7 families steps has been taken. And they are out of 7 families, my lord, 2 of the families are the petitioners herein, my lord. And they are doing it, my lord. So if I take your lordship to this one paragraph of at paragraph 15, my lord, of running page number, my lord, 67, the things will be clear, my lords.
Yes.
Lordship, Mr. R.K. Dev Chaudhary is appearing. He is in court number 1 at present. Also, Lordship may fix it after some time or after vacation.
Then, your lordship.
Yes.
Uh,
On the reopening
my lord, on the
or Thursday?
Thursday. Better reopening, Lordship.
As prayed for, relist on such and such. That date did you get it, huh? Pleadings are complete,
Pleadings
na?
are complete.
Abhilash.
28 and 29.
Yes, Mr. Datta?
My lord, your lordship will see that so far respondent number 4 is concerned.
Correct.
Endorsement is that address is left.
Some verify the correct PIN code, no? That has been done.
Yes.
Steps have been taken.
Steps has been taken, but since the address is left, possibly, my lord, it will be required.
Office note has come thereafter.
Yes,
9-4. Yes, 8-9.
9-4. That is done, my lord.
No, you want a paper publication?
Paper publication, yes. In terms of order 5/20.
Which is this order 27-6?
27-6 fixed for further instruction, my lord. We have been asked to get any new address if we
No,
can.
but where do I find that you, despite all efforts, you could not get the new address?
That, my lord, we tried to gather it.
No, but where is that? Because the Lawazima also doesn't say anything.
Lawazima on 8/9/2000.
Yes, I have that office note, but it doesn't say anything.
That is not reflected.
Correct. Now, in order to give the paper publication, because that's the last resort,
Yes, yes.
this part has to be there.
My lord, your lordship will see the office note dated 24/6/2025. That reflects the address he left. 24/6/2025. There is a postal endorsement your lordship will find. Address he left, return to sender.
Address he left.
Yes.
So now you will take paper publication where?
In Sentinel, my lord. Your lordship may fix a date. In the meantime, we shall.
The only difficulty is the last judicial order says will verify the correct PIN code of respondent number 4 and correct the same by amending the cost title.
That
And it refers to a Lawazima Court's order 12-2. Where is this 12-2?
Yes, yes.
This is the last order, isn't it? 9/4/25?
Yes, 8/9/2025. That is the Lawazima Court's order.
No, I'm talking about the court's order.
Court's order. Yes.
Court's order, please have a look at the 9/4/25, I think that's the last order.
Yes, yes.
Now, because of that order, I'm finding a little difficulty in going ahead with the prayer sought for public paper publication. Maybe you file an affidavit or something. Let's see this 12 because that refers to this 12/3/25. It appears that the offender has observed that notice could not be issued due to the fact that there is certain mismatch. You see, it says certain mismatch between the pin codes of R4
Yes.
stated in the envelope while taking steps. So then I think you first do this.
That was corrected. No? That was correct.
No, but where is that order? It doesn't say.
No, Your Lordship, do one thing. We shall see to it.
You
once
look
again.
into it,
My lord.
Mr. Datta. As prayed for by Mr. S. Datta, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by MS A. Bora. A. Bora, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner.
I'm appearing for respondent.
All we relist after 2 weeks, 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes, let them. You just check because you see, especially have a look at the last order 9/4/25 and the office Lawazima court's order 12/2/25.
Yes.
If required, you file a short affidavit saying that you have done all this and that he has left. So alternative. So it will be easier for the court to pass the judicial
It
order.
will facilitate.
Yes,
you know,
yes.
it's much over.
Much obliged.
Item number 9.
Milord, it's regarding item 43.
Yes, pollution control board.
My lord, I have been engaged today, my lord.
Okay, okay.
So the matter may come up on Thursday, Milord.
Thursday, possible?
My lord, I have
no
objection on if it is my lord. Agree and agree, my lord.
No. It is Mr. Monto because for you, because you have to get that instruction.
Yes, yes.
Because
Affidavit already exchange. Probably everything has been done, but I have not gone to the all case record. My lord, go to.
All right, heard Mr. PJ Fukan, petitioner in person. Stop. Also heard Mr. P. Na? P. Mahanta, Learned Counsel, appearing for the Pollution Control Board. Mr. Mahanta submits that he has been engaged today morning in the matter to represent the Pollution Control Board, Assam. Relist on such and such date, Thursday.
On Thursday.
Item number 9.
Right, please, Lordship, due to personal difficulty, Mr. Cal is not there, Lordship.
All right. Heard Mr. PK Bora, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MS and Kakoti, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent. Ms. So-and-so submits that the arguing standing counsel or who?
Standing counsel, income.
Arguing standing counsel income tax, Mr. S.C. Kayal is not available today due to personal difficulty and accordingly seeks a short accommodation. Prayer is allowed. Relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Interim, if any, shall continue till the next date of listing. Yes.
Item 31.
Contractual bill. Yes, Mr. Gogoi, admitted.
No, we have it's a contempt.
Huh?
Contempt.
It's a contempt.
Contempt, Your Lordship.
Yes,
We have filed our affidavit, Your Lordship.
you have filed.
Yes, we have filed our affidavit in this matter.
Where is your affidavit? All right, before I go to your affidavit, let me see the operating portion of the order, non-compliance of which is alleged here.
At page 28, Your Lordship.
Yes,
Page 29
yes,
is the operative part,
it is in view,
last part.
in view of the above, on consideration of the matter in his interest, this court is going to out with the direction to the R3 to pay to the petitioner a sum of so and so for the material supplied. It's a very positive order, not done.
Not done because we verified, when we tried to verify the bill, we found that bills the petitioner submitted were all fake, Your Lordship. Now the problem lies in that. So that's why I need some time. So most probably we have to file a review against this order, Your Lordship.
I think so.
Because they're all fake bills. No countersigned by chief engineer, no countersigned by superintendent engineer, Your Lordship. We are going to file a review on this matter, Your Lordship.
You file it, whatever you want to do soon, because it's a positive order. And this order is of 23. Anyway, I'm giving you time today, but Mr. Gogoi, on the next occasion, if by then no steps have been taken, then I'm telling you, I'll go ahead because there is a positive direction and it has not been done till date. As prayed for by Mr. R.R. Gogoi, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent stroke contempt number 2, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. None appears for the petitioner on call. Your affidavit you have filed or you want to file?
Already complied, Lordship.
Complied? Sure.
But it was released on 16/12/2024, Lordship.
1 second. Which page do I get the order?
Page 7.
Respondent number 2 to examine the claim of the petitioner, and if the same is found to be genuine, necessary steps as may be warranted under the law be initiated without any further delay for disbursement of ex gratia relief to the petitioner. Yes, it has been released.
Released, Lordship. On 16/12/2024, Lordship.
On 16/12. But this is released for taking payment, whether it has been paid or not. The other, huh?
This was written from the Joint Secretary.
Correct.
Revenue Department to the District Commissioner. That payment will be was disbursed by District Commissioner.
Who is appearing for the district commissioner? Because it says the entire exercise to be carried out and completed. So that means ultimately it has to be received also, no?
Not sure.
Who is appearing for the district commissioner?
Oh, one Lordship. Name is, I'm appearing for respondent number 1 and
See, Kamrup is here.
Yes,
Yes, state council, anyone there?
the cause list. No name.
Perhaps Mr. Chetya for R2, R2 কোনো আহিছে নেকি আগতে? No, actually for respondent number 2, till now nothing has come back. Neither AD card nor unserved notice. Mr. Chetri, why don't you take instruction for the Deputy Commissioner Kamrup? You are a government counsel. Just find out. Because most likely it has already been complied. But unless, because today the petitioner is also not here. Without knowing that fact, I do not wish to close the contempt.
Fix another day.
Then you just get it. Okay.
In that case, my lord, petitioner may also, my lord.
Correct. But in the meantime, you also try and get it. I will just say that you will seek whether you can appear on behalf of the contender number 2. Right? Or if you are having difficulties, Miss Burman there. Many state council can seek that information from the DC Kamrup. Heard, no, none appears for the petitioner on call. Heard MS? G. Hajarika, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent stroke contempt number 2.
1.
Contempt number 1. None appears for contempt number 2. Huh? Stop. It appears that neither AD card nor unserved notice has been received in response to the notice issued to the respondent number 2 till date. MS so-and-so, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent stroke contempt number 2, submits that the budget allocation of 2 lakh as ex gratia grant in respect of the petitioner has been released by online budget by online budget number dated 16/12/2024 to the concerned DDO electronically. Stop. However, since there is no representation on behalf of the petitioner or by the contender number 2, it is not clear as whether the said ex gratia payment has been received by the petitioner till date or not. This court requests Mr. M. Chetri, Learned Government Council, Setia, Learned Government Council, right? To seek instruction from the respondent stroke contender number 2, i.e. Srimati so and so, the District Commissioner, Amingao, Kamrup R, Assam, as whether the judgment and order dated so and so, and as whether the ex gratia amount as directed by this court by judgment and order dated 23/8/2023 in WPC number 2935/2023 has been paid to the petitioner or not. He shall further inform her as regards the pendency of the instant contempt proceeding before this court. Relist when, Mr. Chetri?
After vacation.
On such and such date, given date. Huh? So let's see what you have to say and we'll take a call from there. Yes.
Contempt petition and the relevant order is at page 12, my lord.
Yes, but I think some service is yet not complete against all respondents. Await service in respect of respondent stroke contender number 1 and 2. List after 3 weeks and date to be fixed by the registry. Yes.
Okay.
35.
Yes, contractual bill.
Lordship.
Who is appearing for the contempt now? Mr. D. Gogoi had appeared. Yes, Mr. Gogoi. D. Gogoi had appeared in this matter. He's there today or not there?
35. Yeah, in Lordship, yes, he's not here. I just received the instruction that on 17th of this month, we have forwarded to the finance for concurrence order. So we are waiting from the concurrence or finance department.
We'll have it after the opening then. Mr. R.R. Gogoi, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent stroke contemptor, submits that
The demand has been placed.
that
before
the demand has been placed before the
finance department.
finance department
concurrence, Your
for
Lordship.
concurrence. Relist after 3 weeks and a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obligatory. Deep blue.
36.
Wait, my lord.
Yes.
First of all, I will ask, pardon me, my lord, the last occasion that mistake, my lord, the dismissal order, I have come with a review petition.
Sorry.
My lord, with the dismissal petition, I have come with a review petition. That was, I really dismiss you, my lord, dismiss my lord.
Which
So
is the
this
order
was-
you are
I
seeking?
actually, seeking review and modification is the order dated, let's see, page number. This one, my lord, 23/6/2023.
No, page.
Page number is 31.
31?
No, 31, my lord. It is 21. 21, 22. Then, to that.
1 second. Let me just page 21.
21. This is the one. Page 23. an affidavit. I depended on this affidavit, my lord, by the government, central government. You see the order is.
No, this is a withdrawal order, Miss Sinha.
Not withdrawal. I am just not before for the withdrawal, my lord.
No, Miss Sinha, you won the review of the order dated 23/6/2023.
Yes, my lord, the last order.
Correct?
Yes, my lord.
23/6 or 26/6?
26/6, yes.
Where is that order?
Page 66/88, page 66.
Page?
66.
Page 66.
Oh, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, this, I'm just, the operative part I'm reading, my lord.
Paragraph
Yes.
5.
Paragraph 5, yes, my lord.
Yes.
In view of this court is of concerned view that the writ petition can dispose of by directing respondent 6 to release the sanctioned amount of ex gratia grant to the petitioner within a period of 2 months.
Yes.
Receipt of we did not do any contempt and all, but my lord, now modified saying that the central government, CGST, they have given a stereotype affidavit saying that no, we'll not give the extra amount of 3 lakhs. We have already paid 5 lakhs from the government, but another 3 lakhs, I'm praying for that for the.
You are appearing for whom?
I'm appearing for the petitioner.
No, what modification of this order you want? I'm sorry, Miss Sinha, I'm not following what you want from this court. You see, because review is for correction of a patent manifest error appearing in the order of this court, correct?
Yes.
Now, what is the patent manifest error in this order? Please kindly point that out.
Not exactly error, my lord.
Then how a review can be made? You see, review is not a casual exercise.
It's
Review is only
yes, for
Lily Thomas. So many decisions of the apex court, Miss Sinha.
yes, my lord.
Yes.
And last occasion also that was the.
So that is why
My lord,
you may file an appeal. Your remedies are available in law.
Yes.
You don't need this court
Again to modify, yes.
to apprise you about your remedies in law. Correct, Miss Sinha?
That is true, my lord.
Then
I
you want to
will say-
withdraw this?
Yes, that, better.
Heard MSD Sinha, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Anyone? Also heard MS B Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. MS Sinha, so and so seeks withdrawal of the instant review petition with liberty to file file requisite to approach before the available remedy in accordance with law. Prayer is allowed. Review petition stands dismissed on withdrawn. With liberty as paid for. Yes.
My lord, 37, my lord, direction was there.
Yes, Mr. Chauhan.
My lord, to comply the order.
Yes.
We lordship within 6
Yes,
months.
Ms. Dekka.
May I plead your lordship, this honorable court without issuing notice, you have requested us to take instructions in the matter, your lordship. But I have taken my instruction here. There is some complications in complying with the order.
There is?
Some complications, your lordship, because.
You file your affidavit, I'll issue a formal notice.
Yes, that is necessary.
It's a contempt matter.
Yes, your lordship may issue notice. I will
Heard
file it.
Mr. Chauhan, learned counsel, Mr. SS, sorry. Mr. S. Chauhan, learned counsel for the petitioner. MS, also heard MS R. Dekha, learned standing counsel, water resource. No, not water resource.
It's lordship.
Are you going to appear for this contempt or not?
Lord, I can appear, your lordship. I have to file Wakalat Nama, your lordship.
The learned standing counsel, water resources department. Stop. It appears that since the learned standing counsel was requested by order dated 25/2025 was requested to assist this court with a direction to assist this court in the matter in hand. Accordingly, she has obtained instruction from the respondent stroke contemner, who has instructed her that due to complication arising for compliance of the court's order, judgment and order, the compliance has not been given effect to till date. Be that as it may, let formal notice be issued to the respondent.
Only one.
Let formal notice be issued. So would you appear? MS so and so submits that she has been instructed to enter appearance on behalf of the respondent stroke contemner. Let extra copies given to you.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Given as extra copies has already been no required, no, I mean, extra copies not required, as the same has already been given to her. Stuff. And then you say how much time?
4 weeks time.
Let the affidavit in opposition be filed by the next date of listing, relist after 4 weeks, and a date to be fixed by the registrar.
Obliged.
But Mr. Chauhan, since it's a contempt petition, so I think a formal show cause notice has to be also given. So I will say that in the order. I'm just indicating. So you ask your, yes, because it's a contempt proceeding. So merely Miss Deka entering will not suffice. That notice has to be given to the contemptor, because we don't know tomorrow what is going to happen. Okay, so I will edit that part. You ask your junior to check, later. The 1 October.
This is for non-compliance of the order dated 22/5/2024, my lord. And the relevant portion is at page 15, my lord. This order has been passed with the consensus of the respondents, my lord.
Yes.
I'll take instruction regarding status of this.
You are appearing?
For respondent number 1, Lordship.
As prayed for by Mr. S. Dotton, learned counsel, appearing for
Respondent number 1.
respondent stroke contender number 1. Relist when? Give a date on such and such date, on which date the instructions as sought earlier by this the first time for filing return in the matter. You are also appearing. As prayed for for respondent stroke 2. Both, respective returns in the matter.
Lordship. I'll fine. Obliged.
Happy night.
Yes.
May I please your Lordship?
Is this an impleadment application?
Yes, Lordship. The Honorable High Court order dated 1/9/2025 and earlier order dated 16/7/2025 directed to inform the new incumbent about the order of the High Court even in the contempt petition, so that he get opportunity to.
No, but the last order of this court indicates that the said aspect was directed to be brought on record by way of an affidavit. It, however, appears that no such affidavit has been filed, indicating that the incumbent has been informed about the order, which requires compliance. So have you filed that affidavit?
Yes, Lordship.
Where is that?
Uh,
When did you file that affidavit?
Actually, I have forgot the date, but I have filed it.
All right, I have got it. You can place the paragraph. Which paragraph you have set?
3.
3 is direct. 3 is all right. 4, right? No, 4 is also okay. 5.
Lordship.
Where is this affidavit? This affidavit? Miss Counsel, have you understood what was required to be done? In your affidavit that you have filed, where have you said that you have informed Dr. Umesh Pangchu? And when? And where is that proof? Because in paragraph 4, you have said that Honorable High Court order dated so and so and earlier change directed to inform the new incumbent so as to give the new incumbent an opportunity to comply the order. This aspect of the matter is to be informed by the way of an affidavit of its compliance. I don't understand. What is this? Your affidavit is very
We have annexed the postal receipt
correct, but you see para 5, read para 5.
that the petitioner who was duly authorized by the co-petitioners is competent to serve the
Is it
severe,
serve?
no, to
Then
severe the affidavit.
what is severe? An affidavit and back to state.
That
What
he-
kind of English is all this? Yes, read.
Back to state that he on 17/6/2025 sent a copy of the contempt petition along with the order of the Honorable High Court.
Where is honorable? I can't see honorable. Can you read the word honorable? What is it appearing in para 5?
Honorable High.
Where is the
High
word
Court,
honorable?
Honorable High Court is.
No, high court. I'm not talking. You're right. Even the word high
N
is not
missing.
there. Correct. N is missing. Hobble, it says.
Honorable
The
Court.
Hobble Court.
Sorry.
No, Miss Counsel, I understand this is not an intentional mistake, but you see, when you prepare an affidavit and you file it before a constitution court, you must do it with diligently and carefully, right?
Yes.
Because you are filing it in the court.
Yes, sir.
You don't, this is not some kind of application, isn't it? So the responsibility on your part is much more. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then come down. And you're right, the word high is also not there. You may say this honorable court, but when you say the, then it has to be the honorable high court. Then you go down. Further read through.
Honorable Court, through registered post enclosing the photocopy of the postal receipt, the High Court registry also acknowledged it. In short, the petitioner has informed the new incumbent as has been.
You see, you understand now what I'm trying to point out. See, all that you had to put on the affidavit is that so and so is the new incumbent.
Yes.
And on such and such date, you have written a letter to the incumbent, enclose that letter, and that this is the postal receipt, enclose the postal receipt. But you have not enclosed the letter. What you have enclosed is just a postal receipt. Now we don't know what is the content of this letter. Do we know the contents?
Yes.
We don't know. How will we know? Unless you give us the letter. And even in paragraph 5, you do not clearly say. You simply say, in short, the petitioner has informed. The English, I'm sorry, Miss Counsel, but this court is taking a exception to the way it is drafted. You please look into it, clarify. I'm giving you another chance.
Okay.
You please clarify it. In a more dignified manner, you place the affidavit. Okay. What is your name?
J. Tamuli.
Heard MS J. Tamuli, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner.
Yes,
Petitioner. It appears that though an affidavit has been filed pursuant to the direction passed by this court on 1/9/2025. However, reading of the same, it is still not clear as whether the petitioner has brought to the notice of the new incumbent about the order which is the subject matter in the present contempt proceedings. MS so-and-so request 2 weeks time.
It's not.
2 weeks time to further to file an additional affidavit to clarify the same. Stop. Prayer is allowed. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be 3 weeks. Miss Counsel, you've understood what you see. You focus only on this. Suppose this notice is there, then you enclose that notice, and in the paragraph you just simply have to say that on such and such date you have issued this notice, which he has received. The postal acknowledgement is the proof of it, and enclose it. And that the affidavit is filed in compliance of this order as well as today's order. That's all. And be careful. Yes.
Item 40.
May I please?
Yes.
My lord, this interlocutory application, my lord, is with a.
You want the names of the pro forma respondents to be deleted?
Fine.
Any objection?
I'm appealing for respondent number 1.
Why do you want their names to be deleted? Why did you add them in the initial
Actually, what
stage?
happened, my lord, in the, when we preferred the writ petition, they were holding the offices, my lord, as a pro forma respondents, my lord. Now, they, as the new panchayat has been taken up, my lord, after the election, they are no more holding the office, my lord, and new incumbent had been.
All right.
replaced.
Heard Mr. A.R. Bhuiya, na?
My lord.
Bhuiyan, relevant counsel appearing for the applicant. Stop. Also heard Mr.
A.K. Datta, my lord.
A.K.
Datta.
Datta, learned CGC.
CGC, my
And who's there? Government? A.K. Kosh, learned counsel appearing on behalf of S.A. Kayal. S.A. Kayal. S. Datta, learned counsel appearing for respondent numbers?
2, 3 and 5 to 18.
2, 3
5 to 18.
and 5 to 18. And Mr. M. Chetia, learned government counsel for the state respondents, for the remaining, for the state respondents. Stop. By way of this interlocutory application, comma, the applicant is seeking deletion of the names of the applicant stroke writ petitioner is seeking deletion of the names of the pro forma respondents number 19 to 27, i.e. in the connected writ petition IWPC number 3165 stroke 2025. It appears that
Paras 3, 4 and
yes,
5.
I have it.
My lord.
It appears that at the time of filing of the connected writ of the said writ petition, the writ petitioners have arrayed the aforesaid respondent numbers 19 to 27 as pro forma respondents. And this court, by order dated 18/6/2025, issued notice to them. Stop. It appears that thereafter, a new Gaon Panchayat body has been formed, and the aforesaid pro forma respondent numbers 19 to 27 has been replaced by new ones. Have you made them party?
No. Make subsequent
Stop.
application.
Situated thus, the aforesaid pro forma respondent numbers 19 to 27 are no longer necessary and or proper party in the connected writ petition. Stop. Mr. So-and-so submits that since the respondent numbers 19 to 27 who were initially arrayed as pro forma respondents as they were members of the then Gaon Panchayat body. However, the same having been now replaced, their presence is no longer essential, no longer necessary for effective adjudication of the instant writ petition. The learned counsels appearing for the respondent does not oppose to the deletion as sought for. Having heard the learned counsels for the parties and having perused the paragraphs made in support of the prayer for deletion, I am of the considered view that the presence of the pro forma respondents numbers 19 to 27 may not be essential, and hence the prayer is allowed. The names of so and so stands deleted from the records of the so and so. Let amended cause title be submitted to the registry for doing the needful. Disposed of.
May I pray that the main case may be listed after the vacation?
Main case is there. In main case, as prayed for, list after 3 weeks and a date to be fixed by the registry. And Tata Likhide he further submits that in view of the aforesaid development,
May I please?
Application, necessary implement, necessary application for impleading the new members of the so-and-so panchayat is going to be undertaken.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, this is a substitute. This I is called the substitution of the contempt of respondent number 1, Lord.
Substitution in a contempt petition. What substitution?
Amendment of
Huh?
amendment of cost title, Lordship.
Huh?
Amendment of cost title, Lordship.
Amendment.
Yes, Lordship.
What amendment you want? Yes, what amendment you want?
Lordship. The contempt number 1.
What is the amendment that you want? In short, just tell me what is the amendment that you want?
We strike out the name of Sri M.K. Yadav. I have Lordship.
You want M.K. Yadav's name to be struck off
Yes, Lordship.
as a contemptor.
Yes, Lordship.
Why?
Because he is not holding the post currently.
That's all right. That doesn't discharge him if he was holding the post at that time or at any relevant point of time. You don't need to struck his name on that ground. Who is the new one?
The Lordship, the Ramchandra Malakar is the Lord.
Have you made him a party or not?
Yes, Lordship.
Where is where is his smartphone? No, you have made him a party and then on your own you have removed M.K. Yadava. Huh? What is this number 2?
Lordship, the
Who's filed this applicant? Who's filed this application? The petitioner?
Yes, Lordship.
I'm sorry. That cannot be a ground for you don't have to. You are the petitioner. Why have you at the first instance filed this? I don't understand. Isn't it, Mr. Chaudhary? I don't understand why even unnecessarily you have filed this.
He may not have understood the implication. Lordship, first of all, he will have to inform the new incumbent. Thereafter only he can implead.
No, not implead. He wants to remove the earlier. By this application, he wants striking off.
Lordship, he doesn't. I think the concept
Yes,
of
yes.
contempt till he
Lordship, the leading counsel is out of station, Lordship, due to election going on BTAD, Lordship.
All right, I'm allowing. I am not giving. I shall implead the new incumbent in this. Anyway, তুমি লেখা।
Lordship, it will be better if he withdraws and refile.
So he has made both the prayers. I just saw. So I think it serves no other purpose, you know. It's an I think you withdraw and file. He's also right because you say for amendment, and for one amendment, you have to file an application for impleading the new incumbent. Where is the impleading application?
Lordship, the leading counsel is.
Who is the leading counsel?
S. Hayakan, Lordship.
Who?
S. Hayakan, Lordship.
Is he a senior counsel?
No, Lordship.
Then how can he be a leading counsel? He can be arguing counsel. You see, these connotations are important. As counsels, you must know what to refer to where.
Lordship.
I think you should withdraw this.
Lordship, I'm pressing liberty to file.
Yes, your name.
T. Hussain, Lordship.
Mr. T. Hussain, learned counsel appearing for the applicant seeks liberty, 6 withdrawal of the instant interlocutory application with the liberty to file a fresh to file an impleading application afresh in order to implead the new incumbent Ramen Chandra Malakar to the post of the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam, Environment and Forest Department, Dispur, Guwahati, as respondent stroke contender number 1 in the connected contempt petition. Prayer is allowed. I stands dismissed on withdrawn with liberty to file necessary impleadment application.
Supplementary list, item number 44. In this case, madam, we are waiting for instruction, madam.
All right. As prayed for by Mr. M. Chetia, Learned State Council, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the state respondent file their return in the matter.
45. This affidavit they have filed and admitted.
Which one? In 45?
45.
In 45, what have they done, Mr. Barbhuya?
That is,
Hiring charges.
Admitted amount.
Give. Why are you not paying them if it's admitted?
There are 6 of the affidavit.
Yes.
There are 6.
I already for my lord, thanks, madam. We have 6 we have statement of our affidavit.
Well, since when is this pending?
It is from
These charges are pending since when?
2019 to 2022.
2019 to 22. Who is the sanctioning authority?
Assam police head for madam.
Who is appearing for them? You are only appearing. So I can dispose it of.
Yes, sir.
There is no point of keeping this. Heard Mr. J.I. Barbhuya, sorry, L. Mohan, right? Yes. That's why I got confused when I saw the name. Heard Mr. L. Mohan, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. M. Chetia, Learned Government Counsel for the state respondent. Stop. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking release of the admissible amount of money payable to the petitioner amounting to rupees 8,76,591.00 in brackets in words, in total as due to be paid to the petitioner by the respondent authorities on the basis of the 10 kVA generator hired by them for requirement. Stop. It appears that the petitioner is the owner of a 10 kVA generator which was hired by the respondents from the period 10/3/2019 to 31/5/2022 for the interest of public service and maintaining law and order situation, as well as for administration purpose in urgent requirement at C/129 BN CRPF camp Maktai Gaon, Khokrajar to meet up their requirements. It appears the brief facts of the case is that the petitioner is the owner. It is the specific case of the petitioner that on different dates, though the bills of the hired 10 kVA generator as per higher charge rate of diesel generator set of APWD electrical schedule for the period of 10/3/2019 to 31/5/2022 amounting to rupees 876,591 were submitted before the Superintendent of Police Khokrajar. However, despite repeated requests till date, the bills having not been cleared, the instead writ petition has been filed. Mr. L. Mohan, Leonard so-and-so submits that despite the admitted dues of the petitioner being pending since 2019 to, since 2022.
19 to 20.
No, you must have submitted it when? For the period so-and-so to so-and-so. The respondents are, by not releasing the same, has deprived the petitioner his rights to property as enshrined under the Constitution of India under Article 300 capital A. Stop. Per contra, M. Chetia fairly submits before this court that as per that the respondent number 7, Superintendent of Police Khokrajar, Assam, has already
For the proposal.
forwarded the proposal of payment of release and necessary proposal for according necessary sanction and release of the aforesaid admitted hiring charges. Correct?
Yes.
To whom?
The inspector general.
To the
Assistant Inspector General.
to the Assam Police Headquarters. Where do I get that? Because it's saying forwarded to the office of.
Page 32 is the annexer here.
Okay, I'll go through that then. And that's what the heard Koridiba. Perused, heard and perused. It appears that the aforesaid hiring charges claimed in the instant writ petition are admitted by the respondent number 7. apt to refer to paragraph 6, 7, and 8 of the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 7 on 31/7/2025 before this court. Reading of the aforesaid averment, it appears that the respondent number 5 has already approved
Already forwarded a proposal. Forwarded a proposal.
has forwarded the bills of the petitioner to the Assistant Inspector General of Police within bracket A, Assam Police Headquarters by letter dated 17/4/2025.
TL number 3 is the petitioner's mail.
1 second. For allotment of necessary budget under the proper head of account and financial sanction thereof for payment of the pending bills of the petitioner. Stop. A copy of the so-and-so read as under page 32 of Pama, or here affidavit on page 27 of Pama. In view of the aforesaid, it appears that the instant writ petition can be disposed of with a direction to the respondent authorities, more particularly to accord sanction and release the admissible funds of the petitioner in accordance with law within a period of
6 months.
6 months from today.
4 months.
4 months from today. No, for not 4 months, 3 months from today. Yes. Which respondent?
This letter was written not in the.
But who is the sanctioning authority? Give me the respondent.
Assam Police Headquarters, ma'am.
So that will be respondent
Director.
numbers.
Letter number 4, ma'am.
4.
4, ma'am.
Respondent number 4. Let a copy of this here you, Nidiba. Within receive a certified copy of the order, let a copy of so and so be furnished. Disposed of.
May I submit one thing here also. So, but this annexer page 32 is covered. It is also covered item 44. The petitioner of that petitioner amount was also communicated.
No, but that affidavit is not there for disposal. If you want, you can file that affidavit. I can have that matter on Friday.
Specific instruction we matter there.
But that is, he's right. If that letter is there, why don't you file that affidavit? It is item at Kitya Dilu, date to 44 to? Huh? 3 weeks.
After vacation, ma'am.
You file it. Disposed of, huh? Yes.
46.
Yes, Mr. Das.
Has not been completed.
Await service in respect of?
Respondent number 7, 8, and 9.
7, 8, and 9. Relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. None appears for the petitioner on call. Relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Lordship, today only I have received the instruction, Lordship. May I take it up immediately on reopening here.
As prayed for by Mr. B. Chaudhary, Leonard Standing Council, Agricultural Department, to the effect that instructions has been received by his office today, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the said department file return in the matter. I'm done.